they had me selling baggies on tape. I cut my grass, I can see all the snakes. Not in my circle, you keep changing your shape. Drop your gun, nigga, I'm tryna shave. You just started getting money, you kinda late. Check the drip, and it's all up to date. They tried to stop me, but I guess it was fake.
Alright, so what's up YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat back here with another video, and today guys, what do you have to tell you? If you start on the YouTube channel, you see me on YouTube for about 4 years now, so I guess I'm share some of the information what I have. You see, you know me, I've come in with the videos them rapidly. Sorry, you know your boy got to grind, my for grind, such and such. We're not gonna talk about that on the camera. So first, you just start your YouTube channel, right? 0 subscribers, now nobody for support you or nothing like that. First thing before you drop a video, you need to make sure that you have the right camera quality, like a right camera or the right phone for record one, or a camera. You see, if you want to go like full advanced now, you can use a camera which are gonna make your video look more clean. I mean like clean, bro. The video will look more clean and it's more likely to push you further. But you can use your phone, but it's the type of phone where you use. Like if you use an iPhone, you can start off real quick. Any iPhone, but don't go low to 5. Don't use iPhone 5. You can use 6 and up. Me a record on a 7 and my camera quality kinda look nice. So like when you enjoy the video, right? First of all, you need to get your camera and you need to get your phone quality crap, whatever. You need to get your phone quality. Make sure it's a good camera quality. Don't start YouTube with a poor camera quality. You see me? Like if you start YouTube with a poor camera quality, nobody now go watch your videos. Like if me did have a poor camera quality, like some old crack up Android. But me now say Android not have good camera quality no, but if me did have some low camera quality, you wouldn't watch your video. So make sure you get your good camera quality, and some of the times your camera quality can be good, but you need like a ring light or a light in the background to make it look bright. Right now my app cleaner, so you need a ring light. So if anything, you purchase a ring light, but if you want to start off with like vlogging outside, then sure. If you want to start off with making videos outside in the natural sun, sure, that's up to you. But if you record like inside, you need a ring light. And if you want any other light, you can use your room light, but me I use my room light and my ring light for record right now. So yeah, what else you need? You need equipments like these. This way upon, I don't know if you wanna see it. It's a mic what me I use right now, but if you don't have a mic, you can use like an earphone. If you have an iPhone, use one of them an earphone. Yeah. This. Don't buy no other else one. Don't buy the audio jack one, please. But if you use an Android, you can use the audio jack one, which such and such, it probably work out good for you. But remember to use that type of earphone. Yeah. Second of all, you get all your equipments and such and such. After you get all your equipments, then you need to start share. Like when you post your first video, it can be like, let me see, it can be like a Q&A. Me never start off with a Q&A, me just go straight to the point and what my channel I gonna be about. So if you're a person like me who say, alright, me just drop like a public interview, a vlog, the first, you can do that. But some people do a Q&A and such, so you can do a Q&A, whatever. But me never did in the Q&A thing, so yeah, you can do a Q&A, such and such. After you drop your first video, you need to share out it. When I mean share it out, you mean send it to your family members, then such and such. Tell them to share. As you send it to your family members, and as you share it out, tell them to share it out to other people to gain more audience. You see me? So after you share it out, that will help you to reach your first 100 subscribers. You see me? But you're not gonna get it that easy because you need to post consistent. Like if you post one time, people are gonna just think say, yo, such and such. You need to post, like as you post your first video, the another week you need to post another video, because nobody no wants to post a video 1 month and then you know post again. People are gonna think say, yo, it's a joke thing this. So me just go to another channel, go watch another channel. When them say you're serious about it, them are gonna engage with it, you see me? Second thing now, Jamaicans, as me, Jamaicans, bro, I think I don't know. It a go hard for them, bro, because them things say, yo, as them come up on the platform, them just a go make 2 video, 3 video and then book money. And I say, go, bro, I'm on YouTube about like for 4, as I say 4 years, and this is my first year monetized. So don't expect say, yo, you're gonna get this and that quick. You see me? So keep on post, and remember, you need to know your niche, like what type of videos they need. Yeah, you as them are confused on what they want to watch. Like if me company, for example, me company your channel and then I see gaming video, I see vlog video, such and such. I'm not gonna keep up with all of that, because I think say, yo, and that my company channel from company channel to watch vlogs, public interview, and that entertaining stuff. So if you are a makeup artist, please don't do gaming and then go do some other stuff like that. It's gonna mess up your audience, and your audience are gonna disappear. So please don't do that, isn't it? Stay to your niche. Don't jump to another content and jump back. It don't work like that. The monetization part, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 1,000 subscribers, it's easy to forget, trust me. Don't stress up your head on 1,000 subscribers. The 4,000 watch hours, it take a long time. Like you really have to post hard, post a lot of videos to get your watch hours and up. Ask family members to run your playlist, like make a playlist with all of your videos then. Ask your family members then to run your playlist. Ask other people, your friends and other things. That's what me do. I ask other people run a playlist. But then me never used to do that. That's why I never monetize. But when I drop the place and then I ask like my friends them and such to watch my playlist, that's when I get my watch hours. It never take that quick to get my watch hours, because you know watch hours are not like minutes, bro, are hours. So it take me a good while to get my watch hours then. But eventually I gotta get there. You just need to keep on push. If you get 10 watch hours a day, 20 watch hours, it good. If you get at least 50 watch hours a month, it good. You see, you just need to ask people for watch out your stuff them and such and such. And you need to post entertainment content. That are the main reason for watch hours. You need to post things where your viewers them like. Like if you don't, you're not gonna get the watch hours then. You can guarantee that you're not gonna get the watch hours then. 1,000 subscriber, the same thing too. You need, like, if you want to get 1,000 subscriber, you need to like focus. You need to show them say, yo, you're really determined for it. You can't just say, alright, post one time. You need to put down content to, like, if you don't put down content, you're gonna run out. So before you start, you need to put down like at least 100 content. Alright, so make sure you at least put 50 to 100 content in your book. I don't know which way you want to put it, if you want to put it in your phone or in your book, but at least put 50 content in your book or in your phone, just in case you back up. Me normally, I put content in my book, so some of the time then content will just pop up in my head. So yeah, and make sure, you see after you reach 1,000 subs, or if you continue with your YouTube journey, make sure you find trending topics for blow up on. Like, when I mean find trending topic, you need to find them early. Like as soon as we did have this video, the intro video. You know, what you probably know this already, but the intro video where it come on. As soon as the artist sing about the product, I make a video upon it and it gain views after it. So make sure you find trending topics. Make sure you put on the trending topics and do it fast. So you know, come out of style as such and such. You see me? What else? I don't know what else to talk about. What else did I do? I look a video upon the thumbnail them, but you need to make sure your thumbnail them detail out and actually match your title. Like if your thumbnail look like crap, nobody not gonna click on it. It get the clicks then. So make sure your thumbnail them alright. Post quality videos and make sure you learn your editing skills. Like that are the most important thing about getting a watch hours. And if you edit your videos then good. So I think that's it. Yeah. But I have nothing else to talk about. Like that's it. So make sure you just follow the rules and trust me. I'm going to through all of this already and look which part of this. So follow all of the rules and sure no. Don't expect say this is gonna happen overnight and you're gonna get thousands of subscribers. No. just keep on following it and believe in yourself. Start a YouTube channel like literally now. Don't wait for no exact time to drop no video or nothing like that. Drop it exact time, bro. Oh no, don't drop your video exact time. But what I mean by don't hesitate to drop your videos, them like drop them, bro, but don't drop them too hard because the viewers them need to know like a schedule. Like we say, alright, if I go post Friday, make sure they know say yo every Friday I go post. Me know my viewers them not to know my schedule. I post anytime I feel like to post and such and so. So you see I increase number of views and decrease number of views some of the time them. So yeah, that's it, I guess. That's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell if you're new, just subscribe, and peace out.
They had me selling baggies on tape. I cut my grass, I can see all the snakes. Not in my circle, you keep changing your shape. Drop your gun, nigga, I'm tryna shave. You just started getting money, you kinda late. Check the drip, and it's all up to date. They tried to stop me, but I guess it was fake.